Hello? Dentitox really works? Dentitox is good? Today, I decided to record this quick video to take all your doubts regarding Dentitox Pro. I saw a lot of information here on the internet that does not match the reality of Dentitox Pro, so you do not throw money away and regret the purchase. Watch this video until the end. The first thing you need to know is, the original Dentitox is only sold on the official website of the producer. It is not sold on any other site. And for you to have real results with Dentitox, buy on the official website, and to help you leave here in the description of this video. I lived many years of my life with my horrible oral health. I had bad breath, my teeth were yellowish and it bothered me a lot. I talked with people always with a low head, I was ashamed to smile and I died of my fear. I spent a lot of money on dentists and dental enxaguantes and nothing. Pro. Does Dentitox Pro work? And the answer is yes, Dentitox Pro works. Even Dentitox Pro is an oral supplement designed to heal damaged gums, improve the strength of teeth, eliminate plaque that can cause stains and dental caries and consequently terrible bad breath. Dentitox Pro can help anyone keep their teeth healthy and have perfect oral health. Its formula is 100% natural but powerful, consisting of incredible vitamins and plants such as vitamins A, C, D3 and K2, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, microencapsulated calcium, mec, xylitol, collagen, MSM and peppermint. The product is manufactured here, in the USA, in our FDA-approved and GMP-certified facilities, under sterile, rigorous and precise standards. Dentox Pro is not GMO and is safe. You can be sure that it does not contain dangerous stimulants or toxins and, most importantly, they are not addictive. Many people are having great results with Dentitox Pro, including me. Today I have a lot of gratitude to Dentitox Pro. He returned me the joy of smiling, and you can have results as well as I had. And most importantly of this video, pay attention. For you to have all the benefits of the product, do the treatment correctly, use as indicated by the manufacturer, need to keep in mind that each person reacts in a way to the treatment, each in his time, and for you to have all the benefits of Dentitox Pro, you need to take the treatment seriously. And the best thing to buy on the official website of Dentitox is that if you are not satisfied with the product in 60 days, you can ask for a refund of your money. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site.